What's it, Mix? Let's see these funny animals down here. It's a goat and a sheep. See what's going on here? What are they doing by your bowl? Eh? You're not quite sure what to make of these, are you? That brain, they're a bit peculiar. Hmm? I think so. Look at the back of his neck. What's that, Max? What is that? What's that? Look at your tail. Your tail a bit fluffed up. I think so. Look at the state of it. Hmm? Oops. It's alright. Come on, Max. What is it, Max? What's that? It's a little bead sheep and goat. You're not quite sure what to make of that. Your mother's quite cool to you, isn't she? Yeah, but you're winding me up. What's it, Max? What is it? Hmm? What do you reckon?